Telehealth, including teletherapy, has seen rapid expansion, especially during and after the COVID-19 pandemic. This growth has spurred ongoing developments in insurance policies to address telehealth reimbursement, ensuring that patients can access remote care while providers are fairly compensated. Here's an overview of the current landscape and ongoing developments in teletherapy coverage. 1. Policy changes and regulatory adjustments. A. Temporary measures becoming permanent. 1. Pandemic-era policies. During the COVID-19 pandemic, many temporary measures were introduced to facilitate telehealth services. 1. These measures often included expanded coverage and relaxed regulations. 1. There is an ongoing push to make many of these temporary policies permanent, reflecting the enduring value of teletherapy. 2. CMS. Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. CMS expanded its list of reimbursable telehealth services and increased payment rates for these services to be on par with in-person visits. 2. Discussions continue about which of these changes will remain post-pandemic. B. State-level legislation. 1. Parity laws. Several states have enacted or are considering telehealth parity laws, which require private insurers to cover telehealth services at the same rate as in-person services. 1. This ensures that teletherapy is accessible and affordable for more people. 2. Licensure flexibility. States are exploring interstate licensure compacts that allow providers to offer teletherapy across state lines more easily, enhancing access to care. 2. Insurance coverage for teletherapy. A. Private insurance. 1. Coverage expansion. Many private insurers have expanded their telehealth coverage, including teletherapy, recognizing its importance for mental health. 1. Insurers are updating their policies to cover a wider range of services and conditions that can be treated via teletherapy. 2. Cost-sharing adjustments. Insurers are adjusting cost-sharing measures, such as copayments and deductibles, to make teletherapy more affordable for patients. 2. This often includes waiving or reducing copays for teletherapy sessions. B. Medicare and Medicaid. 1. Medicare. The expanded telehealth services list includes various teletherapy services. 1. Efforts are ongoing to ensure these changes are made permanent, ensuring long-term access for Medicare beneficiaries. 2. Medicaid. State Medicaid programs are increasingly covering teletherapy, with variations in coverage and reimbursement rates. 2. States are continuing to refine their policies to promote equitable access to teletherapy for Medicaid recipients. 3. Challenges and considerations. A. Reimbursement rates. 1. Rate parity. Ensuring reimbursement parity between teletherapy and in-person services remains a key challenge. 1. Providers advocate for equal pay for telehealth services to ensure sustainability. 2. Administrative burdens. Providers face administrative challenges related to billing for teletherapy, including navigating different insurer policies and ensuring compliance with evolving regulations. B. Access and equity. 1. Rural and underserved areas. Teletherapy has the potential to significantly improve access to mental health services in rural and underserved areas. 1. Insurance policies are being evaluated to ensure they support this goal. 2. Digital divide. Efforts are ongoing to address the digital divide, ensuring that all patients have the necessary technology and internet access to benefit from teletherapy. 4. Future trends and innovations. A. Telehealth platforms. 1. Integration with EHRs. Telehealth platforms are increasingly integrated with electronic health records, EHRs, streamlining the reimbursement process and improving care coordination. 2. AI and automation. Innovations in AI and automation are being leveraged to streamline administrative tasks, such as billing and coding, for teletherapy services. B. Hybrid models of care. 1. Blended services. The future of teletherapy likely includes hybrid models, where patients receive a combination of in-person and teletherapy services. 1. Insurance policies are evolving to support these integrated care models. 2. Ongoing evaluations. Insurers and policymakers are continuously evaluating the effectiveness and cost efficiency of teletherapy to guide future reimbursement policies. 5. Stakeholder collaboration. A. Provider advocacy. 1. Professional associations. Organizations like the American Psychological Association, APA, and the American Telemedicine Association, ATA, advocate for fair reimbursement policies and provide resources to help providers navigate telehealth regulations. 2. Patient advocacy. Patient advocacy groups are also instrumental in pushing for policies that ensure access to teletherapy, particularly for vulnerable populations. B. Government initiatives. 1. Federal support. Federal initiatives, including funding and policy support, play a crucial role in expanding teletherapy access and ensuring sustainable reimbursement models. 2. State innovations. States are experimenting with innovative approaches to telehealth reimbursement, which can serve as models for broader implementation. In conclusion, telehealth reimbursement policies, particularly for teletherapy, are evolving to meet the growing demand for remote mental health services. Ongoing developments at both the federal and state levels aim to ensure fair reimbursement, enhance access, and promote the sustainability of teletherapy as an integral part of the healthcare system.